Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cinema HD on your FireStick. Cinema HD is a fantastic app for streaming movies and TV shows for free, so let's dive right into it. Step 1. Enabling apps from unknown sources. First things first, grab your FireStick remote and navigate to the home screen. From there, go to Settings at the top menu. Step 2. Accessing developer options. Scroll right and select My Fire TV or Device, depending on your FireStick version. Choose Developer Options and then enable apps from unknown sources. This allows you to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Installing Downloader app. Now, we need to install an app called Downloader. It helps us download Cinema HD. Head back to the home screen and search for Downloader in the search bar. Step 4. Downloading Cinema HD APK. Open Downloader and enter the URL where you can find the Cinema HD APK file. I've left a link in the video description below for your convenience. Step 5. Installing Cinema HD. Once the APK file is downloaded, open it and proceed with the installation of Cinema HD. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Step 6. Using Cinema HD on FireStick. After installation, you can find Cinema HD in your Apps and Channels section on the FireStick home screen. Launch the app and start exploring its vast library of movies and TV shows. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Cinema HD on your FireStick. Enjoy streaming your favorite content hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.